Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do another CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Use Hex Code to mix colors. So we're going to learn more about the Hex Code in this tutorial. You don't need the basic ideas for it is that there's there's 6 digits in the hexadecimal ones, and they're paired up between red, green, and blue, RGB. And you're going to see that abbreviations a lot. And you just mix every combination of it you make all the combinations you can with it to make the colors you want. And the other key ideas is that 0 is the lowest one for that color, and F is the highest amount. For this exercise, we want to replace the color words in our style element with their correct hex codes. So for Dodger blue, we just copy this and we replace it on here. And now we can see that changes the color. Green, we just copy this, go to green, paste it here, and we can see it changes. Orange, copy, and then red, copy, paste. And there you go, all these are the updated colors. Thank you.